and welcome to my first studio vlog. This is really weird, and I personally am not the most comfortable with talking in front of the camera, so if this turns out bad, or maybe you should just leave now and not watch it at all. But anyways, it's my first time, it's not my first time recording a sit-down video, but first time for this channel to record a sit-down video. Not a sit-down, it's gonna be a vlog, okay? It's a vlog, I think. We'll see. It's Monday, May 4th. We'll see how many days I record. Maybe I'll just record today. I don't know. But here I am, and I'm making this to show you the process of me changing my brand. I don't know why. I feel like I need to put brand in quotation marks because, yes, it is my brand, but I don't know. It's just different, and I hope it's not big right now, so I feel weird calling it a brand. That's basically it. But hopefully one day it will be big and this will help me or something. So, but right now, my Instagram name was H Journals. My shop was H Journals Handmade, and I want to change it to something else. So I'm going to take you guys along for that process, and I thought it'd be good to do it in like a studio vlog type way. And then if these goes well, then I could continue making studio vlogs. So I really hope you guys enjoy this, and if you do, then yeah, cool. Yeah, see you when we do some things. I don't know what we're doing, but I'm gonna show you. Bye. Not bye. Hi. Okay, I wanted to show you guys what I've already done because I started a few things before filming this in the past few days. So, as I told you before, my name was H Journals, and as you probably can tell now, it is different. I am using my full name to go by for my branding and for my shop. So, I created this, I created this logo just for general things, and I need to create like a sub mark just that has like the H and the R, but I created this, so that's going to be like the branding for everywhere. And I updated my sticker sheets to this, to just the Haley Renee, and my YouTube is going to be called Haley Renee, as you can probably tell, and my Instagram is going to be now Dear Haley Renee. So I updated those, and I'm using my favorite shade of purple that I've literally been using for everything, but now it has like a purpose, I feel like. And the reason I am changing things, H Journals just feels very restricting because I do a lot more than just journal, and I don't get to share that. So I just want somewhere I can post all my art and not feel restricted. I do love journaling. I will be posting a lot of journaling still, but here and there some other things will be incorporated, like watercolor, embroidery, different drawings, digital artwork. And I just think changing the branding of what I want to be what I want, does that make sense? Is just going to be better in the long run, and H Journals will be forever gone, RIP. But as you can see, this is what my old sticker sheets looked like. Ignore this isn't available anywhere, but the H Journals Handmade, and then my old handles. But yeah, so I think today what we should do is work on some YouTube stuff. I've made this for like my top banner, but I think I want to make the intro and outro for my videos with you guys. So this one was my old one, and I had that just repeating. So I think I'm going to do something similar. I'm not sure if I like this pen that I use this pen for drawing, what is it? The dry ink pen, but I don't know if I like it for this intro. So now I think we should make the thanks for watching screen. So this is this one. I just have the thanks for watching moving, and the Instagram and Etsy thing stay the same. I think I'm gonna do the same thing. And we will do it with the same purple background. And the 1446 by 828. I think that's the YouTube size, that's why I have that. But yeah.
Why?
Hi guys, it is now nighttime on Monday the 4th, and here is little Hanky. He says hi. I also made a banana crumb cake. I made 2 of them because I messed up and had to double the ingredients because I added too much butter, so I had to double all the other ingredients. But yeah, they look really good. I'll try them later and maybe let you guys know how they work. Hi guys, this is just a clip of the back of my head. That is all it is. It's really interesting, really riveting, and really inspiring. I really hope you guys enjoy just the back of my head. But yeah, that's it. It's only the back of my head. You can't even see what I'm doing, and that's really cool. I really thought I set it up so you could see what I'm doing, but I am an idiot. You can like sort of see it, but not really. But what I am doing, if you're curious, is making my Etsy banner, like redoing it so it's the purple theme and not the yellow. And later, I don't know if I'll show it, but I was really upset because I did all of this and then I found out Haley Renee was not available on Etsy. It was devastating. You don't see me crying. I wasn't crying, but pretend I was crying, and it's really sad. It's not that sad. Dear Haley Renee for my Etsy name is totally fine. And if I ever get a standalone shop, when I can afford a website, I think I'll just drop the dear and just call it Haley Renee. But for now, Dear Haley Renee is fine. But yeah. That's all this is a clip of my back. And I'm probably going to cut it short because I don't think you guys want to see my back for 3 minutes straight. Thank you, and see you in a little bit. You thought voiceover Haley was gone? Think again, she's right here. In this clip, I am resizing all my sticker sheets to fit in those little background shadows, so they will fit in the Etsy photo square perfectly, and so you can see the whole thing, the top and the bottom of it, not just the stickers themselves. This is what my YouTube banner looks like and the little icon, and then I also show you guys some people you should subscribe to. Just came on here to let you guys know I changed all my Etsy stuff You saw a video of me doing it, but here is like the covers of the listings. They're a little purple background and like with a little drop shadow behind them. It took me a while to make them and it was kind of an annoying process, but they're there. Right now the listings still have the yellow pictures on them, but that's just gonna be until I can print and get the purple ones out, because I have a lot of yellow left over, so I wanted to show that it's just gonna be yellow for a while because these won't get printed until I sell out of all the yellow ones. But yeah, I really like how it looks and it's so pretty. I love it. Well, I kind of failed to record an intro or to announce that I changed my Instagram handle, and the response was really awesome. Everyone was so supportive and like cheering me on. It was really cool just to see everyone like accept the change that I wanted to do, and I'm really excited for my new adventure as Dear Haley Renee on my Instagram and Haley Renee on here, and just going by my actual name and being able to post what I want and when I want. It's just really cool, and I'm just really inspired to just keep it going, and I'm really glad you guys are here along for the ride. But this little clip is just me setting up an Instagram photo and to kind of promote one of my sticker sheets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I hope to see you guys soon back on the channel.